What's up, y'all? I just want to do a review. Wltoys 1/12 scale, brushed. It was like $80. Excuse the other wiring for the lights. This car ran majority of its life without the shell, simply because the battery pack that comes with the car, it's just not, I don't know, it never charged. I don't know if it was a charger, but the battery that fits in the back here, it's too small. So I ended up upgrading 5200 milliamp 50C. And it wouldn't fit anywhere, so I just ended up zip tying it to the back here where the old battery ran. I would just run the 2-cell hard case without the body, not realizing these batteries can explode, catch fire. So luckily I had hard cases. But these are things that people should definitely research before they drive these. The motor gets hot as well, so be careful when you're running that. Other than that, it's been a pretty good truck. I did break the drivetrain, the rear. I ended up zip tying it. And this zip tie held it for a while. But eventually the rear differential, they're plastic. I'm sure they stripped because now it's front wheel drive. Kind of feels like a 500 horsepower Civic. So it lasted me 3 months, 2 months. So good little beginner truck. This what got me into the game. Wltoys. Short course.